Welcome back, class 9 children, after Diwali vacation. So, today we will learn a new chapter, chapter 17, circle, circumference, and area. So, we will discuss circumference and area of a circle. So, in this circle chapter, one very important term, that is pi. This particular symbol pi will come again and again. So children, note it down. The value of pi will be 22 by 7. So here I have drawn a circle here, and from the center a line is passing and touching its boundary, which is called radius. So you all know this is called radius, and a line completely passing from one end to the other end and passing from the center is also called diameter. So here I have not drawn diameter, but I have drawn radius. So let us begin. Area of circle is pi r square, where r is radius. So this is the area of circle. Area means the space covered by the particular object. Particular diagram is called area. So that is the area is pi r square. Now perimeter or circumference, like knowing the distance of the boundary, that is the length of the boundary actually is called perimeter or circumference. So perimeter or circumference of circle is known by the formula 2 pi r. So 2 pi r is the circumference or perimeter of circle. Very important formula. One more important thing to note, radius is half of diameter. If diameter is given, you divide it by 2, then we will come to know radius, because in formula radius is very important. So if diameter is given, divide by 2. Next, number 3 formula, area of semicircle. Actually half of circle you make half, that is called semicircle. So half of circle is semicircle. So this is one semicircle, this is another semicircle. Its area will be pi r square by 2. Actually for full circle it is pi r square. So for half circle it will be by 2, pi r square by 2. Now another formula, area of quarter circle or quadrant. Actually half of a circle is called semicircle and half of semicircle is called quarter circle sorry, or it is called quadrant. So you can see there are 4 quadrants here. So these are quadrants, and its formula is, area is pi r square by 2. Here we show for semicircle, but pi r square by 4 is the area of a quarter circle or quadrant. Very important children. Here by 2 and here by 4. Suppose there are 2 circles, concentric circles we can say. If there is another circle inside one circle, then such circles are called concentric circles. Area enclosed between 2 concentric circle. Suppose this is one circle and this is another circle. So area between these 2 circles is this particular shaded portion. You can see I have done shading here. This shaded portion is called area of enclosed between 2 concentric circle, and it is known by the formula pi r square, that is capital R square minus pi small r square. So capital R is the radius of larger circle and small r is the radius of smaller circle. So by doing this formula we get it, the area enclosed between 2 concentric circles. So this is the formula, and here pi is common, then we got r square minus r square, and this is the formula of a plus b into a minus b, that is r capital R plus small r, capital R minus small r. Now let us discuss some important questions from page 1710. Question number 3. Find the radius of a circular field whose area is, number 2, 1386 centimeter square. So area is given, we have to find the radius of circle. So solution starts. Area of circle is given here 1386 centimeter square. So whenever any formula's value is given, we can apply the formula. We have learned in the previous chapter also. So area of circle can be applied now. Pi r square is the area of circle, equal to its value. Value of pi I have mentioned at the beginning also. Its value is 22 by 7 into r square equal to 1386. So here we are going to make r square alone. So 7 will go up this side, it will go that side, then the below part will go up and upper portion will come down. That means denominator will go and become numerator, and numerator will come and become denominator. And after simplification, after cancellation, 63 into 7. So we have to find the value of radius, but here we have radius square. So I will remove square from here. Before that, I will factorize 63, and 63 can be factorized as 3 3s are 9, 9 7s are 63, and this 7 has come from here. So 63 has become 3 into 3 into 7. Now r equal to root over 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. So from the root over number, you know, out of two number, one number will come outside. So out of two threes, 1 3 will come out, and out of two sevens, 1 7 will come out. So r will be 3 sevens are 21 centimeter. So according to the question, find the radius. So radius is 21 centimeter. Next question. A copper wire when bent in the form of a square encloses an area of 121 centimeter square. If the same wire is bent in the form of a circle, find the area of circle. So there is a wire which is actually now in the form of square, and when it is in the form of square, its area is 121 centimeter square. And if the same wire which was used as square, if the same wire is formed as circle, then what will be the area of circle? Actually, when the shape changes, area also will change, because in square shape, if this is the area, in the circle shape, definitely area will change. But one thing will not change, that is the perimeter will not change, because whatever is the length of the wire here, here also the perimeter, the length of the wire will be same. So that means what I will do now, I will try to find the perimeter of square, and I will say whatever is the perimeter of square, same will be the perimeter of circle, and based on that I will find the area of circle. So here area of square is 121 centimeter square, and once we have learned already that area of square is side square. Side square equal to 121, because the formula of area of square is side square. So side equal to root over 121, because whenever we remove square from the left side, we get root over on the right side. So root over 121 is 11 centimeter. So side of a square is 11 centimeter. As you all know, perimeter of square will be now 4 into side, that is 4 into 11, that is 44 centimeter. So now we came to know 11 plus 11 plus 11 plus 11, it is 44 centimeter. So same perimeter will be the here also, that is 44 centimeter. So I can now write perimeter of square is equal to perimeter or circumference of circle. So I can say circumference of circle will be same, 44 centimeter, and circumference formula is 2 pi r is equal to 44. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r equal to 44. If I will make r alone, then if 7 will go that side, it will go up, 22 and 2 will come down. So after cancellation, we can see here r equal to 7. So now from, as we have come to know the radius of circle, now area of circle can be known. So area of circle is pi r square. So 22 by 7 is the value of pi, and r value just now we came to know 7 into 7. So 117 will cancel, 7 into 22 will be 154 centimeter square. So as per the question, find the area of circle. So area of circle is finally 154 centimeter square. So one more question is ready here, children. Tomorrow I will discuss about this question. For today this much only. Thank you, children.